Bayelsa State House of Assembly has passed the 2019 Judiciary Funds Management Bill and the Legislative Fund Management Bill. The two bills passed at the Assembly followed motions raised by the Majority Leader of the House, Honorable Monday Obolo, during plenary. The Majority Leader, Honorable Monday Obolo, who is representing Southern Niger Constituency 2, raised motion to suspend the legislative rules for the bills to be considered expressly.
The urgency of the times, Mr. Speaker, the rules be suspended so that this House will take accelerated hearing.
With support from the members of the House, the bill scaled through the first reading as the House later collapsed into committee of the whole to consider the two bills.
The bill is very, very encompassing. It takes care of loopholes where it will create room for fraudulent activities and all the rest. Mr. Speaker, that is a bill that is before us.
It gives them the liberty of having their funds directly credited to their accounts. And that will have taken off the pains and the stress of going back to the executive for approval.
People of justice, and as one who believes that what is good for the goose is also good for the gander, the man who even punish, who have the powers to punish offenders who are gone against the law, I think they also deserve to have the financial autonomy that I think is good for me.
And hereby second the motion. Those in favor say aye.
After the deliberations, the Speaker, Right Honorable Tonye Emmanuel Isena, briefed the House on the day's proceedings.
Working out to ensure that these two bills passed. I crave from the indulgence to keep working out. Sixth Assembly to achieve our target and set goals. Members, I hope that's what has said in the Committee of the Whole.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
The two bills are among the first bills passed by the Sixth Assembly under the leadership of Right Honorable Tonye Isena as Speaker of the House.
Speaker!
Bills, according to the legislation, is centered on promoting democracy and good governance, especially in consideration of the principle of separation of powers. From the floor of the House in Yenegua, I am Deborah Tompri.